This looks freaking amazing. Hello guys, and welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we're going to be making vegetarian Thai red curry. And if you guys feel like adding in chicken or shrimp or tofu or protein of your choice, feel free to add it in, but today we're going to be making this veggie friendly. So let's go and check out these awesome ingredients to make this creamy curry. As always, let's start off by prepping all our veggies. That was really weird. As always, let's start off by prepping all our veggies. I'll add this in with my ginger. And with our red pepper and onions, we'll just give them a nice thin slice. So we decided on Thai curry today because the weather is finally fall and it's a little gloomy. Other than that fact, I love this 70-degree weather type of thing. With the cold weather and then the aromas from the jasmine rice and this Thai curry, this dish is just gonna be amazing. Give the basil a rough chop.
Oh, it smells so good.
I know.
Do you smell that mixing in with the jasmine rice smell?
Mm-hmm. Let's get a little bit of olive oil in the pan and add in all our veggies. And then I'll add in my garlic and ginger. Add in a tablespoon of soy sauce. So this is the Thai curry paste that I got. I went to Target to look for it, but the Target I went to wasn't a super Target, so I don't think they have it in stores that aren't super Targets anymore. They had one left. Like, I asked the people and they were like, we don't have it, but I just went anyways and they had it. So one we're using, and there are different ones too, so feel free to use whichever one. If you guys want to make this like a yellow curry, or they have green curries too, right? Yeah, you guys can do that too. We'll need 2 tablespoons of some red curry paste. And so with the milk, we're supposed to add in the milk that has a lot of fat in it. So don't get the low fat ones. Get the ones that have enough fat, because it makes the whole dish more creamy and more full, or else it'll taste a little bit more watery. Also gonna add in my water. Just a mix. Wow, the color. Add in our basil. Give this a mix.
Oh, it smells so good.
Add in our sugar. Seasoning it with pepper and salt, and we're pretty much done. We just wait for it to get a little bit thicker and for the vegetables to fully cook. And for now, do you guys know what it's time for? Today's phrase of the day is chuo, which means it's cold or I'm cold. The weather's getting colder, so you guys can use that phrase to people. You can say, ah, 추워, or ah, 오늘 춥네, which means like, oh, it's really cold, it's really chilly today. I used to have a little song that I sang every time it was cold. Do you know what it is? I won't do it because it's gonna annoy you guys, so I won't sing it, but I use that word a lot once November kicks in and I just love being cold. I really like being cold. It's kind of weird.
Cold,
Yeah, Grace and I don't really like summer. We like fall and winter. So I hope you guys use that phrase this winter, and it's chua, which means I'm cold or it's cold. So we're done now, and we have some brown jasmine rice. Let's add our Thai curry. So time to eat. I can't wait. This looks freaking amazing.
This looks like something you bought at like the Thai restaurant.
Like ordered. Can you scratch cilantro? It's very creamy. I was thinking if I should use heavy whipping cream, but I felt like that was too much.
No.
Right? I bet you in restaurants they do. Because it adds a little bit of sweetness to it as well, but
Yeah, I really like the coconut milk in it.
so good. I do think some chicken would be good too.
Wow, it has a nice kick.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. It has a very nice kick to it.
Like spicy.
You know, I actually don't like regular curry. I don't know if I said it before in our curry video, like Japanese or Korean curry. I like Thai curry though. So I can see myself making this a lot more often than the other one. I'm gonna squeeze some lime. What do you think about the sweetness level? Good?
Yeah, I think the sweetness is perfect. This is like really hearty. That's good.
Squeeze the lime, mix it better. I actually think adding some fried tofu.
Yeah, I like tofu in my Thai.
Yeah, I think it would be really good. I would make a big pot of it and then freeze it so that I can just have it whenever I want something like warm.
Yeah, I feel like this is so easy to make at home that you don't even need to get takeout order or go to a Thai restaurant just to get Thai curry.
It's so easy. We finished this so fast.
Yeah, it's really easy actually.
I think the key to this is though that you have to use the coconut milk that has the higher fat content in it, not the skim version milk.
Yeah,
I thoroughly enjoyed this.
thoroughly.
Grace has a problem when I say this word. She always says I say it wrong. Thoroughly.
You enunciate too much.
You enunciate too much.
Very good.
It just tastes so tropical too because of the coconut. I freaking love it. Well, I almost felt that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let us know in the comments below if you guys have made it. Make sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you guys on our next one.